Ever wonder why some seem to effortlessly grow their wealth while others work tirelessly with little to show for it? Could the secret to financial success be more about smart strategies than hard labor? Today, we're going to explore the key principles of money management that could change the way you think about wealth. Get ready to discover insights that might just be your stepping stones to financial freedom. Let's dive in. Money is part of a simple exchange game. There are two ways to get it: earning or making it. Earning is when you trade your time for money, like working an hour to get paid for that hour. It's a direct exchange. Making money, however, is different and often smarter. It involves creating something like a gadget or a book and getting paid many times for that initial effort. In this game, money flows where it finds value. If you're selling a gadget, people pay for it because they see its worth. Businesses earn by offering products or services that people want. The key is offering something valuable. The more valuable your offer, the more money you can make. Money moves towards value, and that's how you can earn more of it. The power of financial association means spending time with people who are savvy about money. By being around those who understand finances, you pick up their smart habits and strategies. It's like having informal teachers who show you the ropes of saving, investing, and growing wealth. It's not just about knowing rich people, but learning from those good at managing their finances. This concept also involves choosing your financial learning sources wisely. Reading books, watching videos, or joining forums about financial management can greatly improve your money skills. As you absorb this knowledge, your approach to handling finances improves. It's a gradual process of adopting better money habits by learning from experts and experienced individuals. Earning versus keeping wealth focuses on not just making money, but also saving and growing it. Earning is about getting a paycheck from work or profits from a business. However, the real challenge is in keeping that money and making it work for you. Many people spend all they earn, living paycheck to paycheck. True financial success lies in both earning and smartly managing your income, saving and investing to secure your future. Keeping wealth is about budgeting, planning, and making wise financial choices. For example, using extra money like bonuses for savings or investments rather than immediate luxuries. It's crucial to balance enjoying your income now while also preparing for the future. Good financial management involves controlled spending and investing in assets that appreciate over time, which is key to long-term financial stability. Risk and reward, the wealth catalyst, emphasizes smart risk-taking for greater financial growth. It's about investing in opportunities like new technologies or small companies, which can be riskier but offer higher potential returns. This approach is especially suitable for younger investors who have more time to bounce back from setbacks and benefit from long-term growth. However, it's important to manage risk wisely. Assess your financial comfort with risk and your long-term goals. Diversifying your investments across various assets can help balance the risk. The goal is to find a middle ground, enough risk to grow your wealth but not so much that it causes undue stress. Smart risk-taking can be a key factor in boosting your financial status. The Secret Vault, Discretion in Wealth suggests keeping your financial status under wraps. Revealing your wealth can lead to uncomfortable expectations from friends or family and make you a target for scams. It's better to manage your finances quietly to avoid these issues. Also, consider storing some of your wealth where it's not easily noticed, like in diverse investments or different banks. This secret vault keeps funds safe for emergencies or future opportunities. This approach isn't about secrecy for its own sake, but strategic management of your finances without outside influences or risks. Active money, the enemy of idleness, emphasizes the need to keep your money working. Simply storing it in a savings account isn't very effective, as inflation can decrease its value over time. Instead, invest in avenues like stocks or real estate where your money can earn more. The goal is to have your money continuously generate additional income, whether through interest or investment gains. However, this approach requires smart decision-making. It's crucial to diversify your investments to reduce risk. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your investment choices based on market conditions and your financial goals is also important. Active management means your money doesn't just sit idle, but grows and contributes to your financial health. Embracing the law of abundance means believing in plentiful wealth and opportunities. This mindset shifts from seeing resources as limited to seeing enough for everyone. With this perspective, you become more open to investing and risk-taking, recognizing the abundance of financial opportunities. This belief, combined with actions like continuous learning and networking, helps in growing your wealth. However, it's important to balance this positive mindset with practical actions. For example, while being optimistic about your career, also focus on acquiring new skills and seeking opportunities. This approach is not just about waiting for wealth, it's about actively working towards it. It also teaches gratitude for what you have, leading to greater personal and financial satisfaction. It's a mix of positive thinking and proactive financial steps. The magic of compound interest is like a growth booster for your savings. It happens when you earn interest on your money, and then that interest earns more interest. Say you save some money in an account. First, it earns interest. Then, the next time interest is calculated, it's on your original amount plus the interest you already got. This compounding makes your savings grow more over time. Starting to save a little bit early and letting it sit for a long time can significantly increase your total savings. Patience is key with compound interest. It's a long-term strategy. If you start saving small amounts early, by retirement, it can grow into a substantial sum. This is because your early savings have more time to accumulate interest. Compound interest is a powerful tool for building savings, highlighting the importance of starting early and allowing time to work its magic on your finances. Making money work for you involves creating income sources beyond a regular job. It's about investing in things like property or stocks to earn money passively. For instance, renting out a property provides regular income without daily effort, and owning stocks can earn dividends. The aim is to have various income streams that continuously grow your wealth, helping you achieve financial independence. To succeed, you need to actively learn and strategize, understand different investment options and their risks. Initially, it might require research and patience as these investments grow over time. It's about smart financial planning aligned with your long-term goals, setting up a system where your investments sustain and grow your wealth. The perils of reckless spending highlight the risks of spending money without proper planning. Careless spending can lead to debt, drained savings, and inability to save for future goals like retirement. This habit affects not just your current finances, but also your long-term financial health. Without a budget or understanding of your spending limits, you may overuse credit cards or take high-interest loans, leading to a paycheck-to-paycheck lifestyle. Avoiding these dangers requires financial discipline. Create and follow a budget that covers expenses and includes savings. Distinguish between needs and wants, and align spending with your financial goals. Tracking your spending helps identify unnecessary expenses. These good habits ensure that your spending is responsible and supports your overall financial well-being, steering you away from the issues associated with reckless spending. The lifelong game of wealth means continuously managing and increasing your money throughout your life. It's an ongoing effort, adapting to life's changes like career shifts or retirement. Different life stages bring different financial challenges and opportunities. It's vital to stay informed about economic changes and investment strategies as they greatly impact your finances. Success in this game requires good financial knowledge and disciplined spending. Regularly revising your financial plans to suit your current and future needs is crucial. This might include changing investment strategies or adjusting retirement plans. It's also about protecting your wealth with insurance and estate planning. Think of wealth management as a long-term journey, requiring steady effort and adaptability to ensure lasting financial security and growth. In conclusion, managing your money well involves a mix of different ideas and actions. From smart investing and careful spending to using the power of compound interest, all these steps are important for your financial health. Now, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which one of these money tips has really helped you? Or do you have another money trick that works well for you? Share your stories and tips below. Your thoughts can really help others who are trying to get better at handling their money. Let's share our experiences and learn from each other. Thanks for watching, and until next time.